my name is Washington Dutuma. I'm one of the lecturers at Nobot Desk. I'll be taking you for FAC1501. So guys, feel free to join the classes. We'll be taking you through this FAC1501, give you the overview of the modules and the topics that you need to concentrate more on for you to be able to pass the exam. But remember, it's not only about passing the exam. Since this is your first year modules, you also need to understand the concept, because everything that you're going to learn in this module, you'll be using it in your further FACs modules. So please understand the concept. It's not just about cramming so that you pass the exams, but also understand the concept behind each and every answer. So I'll be showing you guys how we're going to explain or how we're going to tackle this module through these videos. And for those who are not be able to purchase us through the videos, we also have our live classes and the physical classes as well. Okay. Our first video that I'm going to show you right now is the introduction on the overview of FAC1501. Okay. FAC1501, I'm going to start teaching you guys about the accounting equation. Most of our FAC1501 students, they've never done accounting before. So we treat you all as if you don't know what is accounting. Right? We treat you all as if we have never heard about accounting before. So on the accounting equation, we're actually teaching you what is accounting. What is accounting? So from the accounting equation, our accounting is a cycle. One topic follows the other, So we cannot start with the third topic before we are clear with the first and second. Alright, so we're going to come from the accounting equation. We're going to teach you about the transactions, about source documents, and all those things. So from the accounting equation, we're going to go straight to our journals. Our journals, these are the first books of prime entry. The first book that we record in accounting is called a journal. So we'll be teaching you the journals. There are quite a lot of them. So we'll be teaching you how to group transactions in certain journals. Okay, from the journals, I'm going to teach you about the general ledger, which is known as sometimes the T account, the general ledger. Okay, the debit, the credit, the debit, the credit. Some people, they don't even know what is debit, what is credit. Okay, so in accounting equation, I'm going also to introduce you about the debit and credit, but we will tackle it under the general ledger. From the general ledger, I'm going to teach you about the bank reconciliation. How to reconcile. You recording your information in the journals. You're receiving money, you're paying cash. You're receiving cash, you're paying cash. The bank is also doing the same thing. The bank is receiving deposits. The bank is also paying out. But okay, the balance at the bank is different from the balance in our cash books. So what do we need to do? We need to reconcile. That's when we need to prepare what? A bank reconciliation. Okay, then from the bank reconciliation, I'm going to teach you guys the statement of profit or loss. The statement of profit or loss. The statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. And other comprehensive income. This is a statement that you need to know by head before you go to the exam center. Right, this is a statement that you need to know by head before you go to the exam center. Okay, what follows? The easier format that is in the tutorial later, I'll also show you when we go to the topic. Okay, here's the format and here's how we go about it. Then from the sixth topic, I'm going to just introduce you to depreciation. We're not going to go deep into detail on depreciation, but I'm just going to introduce you to depreciation, on what is depreciation, how do we calculate depreciation, and what is the effect of depreciation on our non-current assets. That's all what we're simply going to do on our depreciation. Then lastly, we're going to do a statement of financial position. A statement of financial position. Right, in a statement of financial position, we're going to group assets, equity, and liabilities. This statement is supposed to balance. So from here you find out that we have 7 topics. So in other words, after this introduction video, you're going to have 7 more videos that is going to tackle, each video is going to tackle each topic, right? Each video is focusing on each topic, right? If you look here on this May June 2019, you find out that there was accounting equation, there was bank reconciliation, there was a statement of changes in equity and statement of financial position, right? So that means this paper, they only asked in the exam, they asked the accounting equation, they asked the bank reconciliation, and the statement of what? The statement of financial position. But you find out that there is multiple choice, right? Multiple choice is also covering most of all the other what? The other topics, right? Probably they just take 2 questions from each and every topic. So you need to know everything, you need to understand everything. We're not just going to teach you so that you cram for the exam, but there is FAC 1502, there's 1601, 2601, up until FAC 4864. Alright. Okay guys, this was just an introduction, but our next video will be focusing more on the accounting equation. Okay, I'll see you in the accounting equation. Thank you.